Grabe, feel na talaga yung holiday rush, no? And nakakaubos ng energy. Kung wala ka ng oras mag-isip ng lulutuin for Noche Buena, baka mas okay kung bilhin nyo na lang. Kasi may mga frozen, ready-to-eat items naman na available sa supermarkets, kagaya nitong beef salpicao, barbecue ribs, and roast beef from Miguel and Maria na as in, iinitin and ipiplate mo na lang, tapos yun, may handa ka na. Tinry ko yung beef salpicao for lunch and medyo marami lang talagang oil, pero masarap siya ha. Generous and malambot yung meat, very beefy, and masarap din yung pagka-garlicky and spicy. For 550 pesos na good for 4 to 5 servings, pwede na to. Itong barbecue ribs, gawan mo lang ng madaling vegetable side dish, tapos perfect na panghanda. Hindi siya yung tipong fall off the bone tender, but quite decent na for a frozen dish na iinitin na lang sa oven or microwave. Okay din to with rice or mashed potato kasi malasa talaga and more on pang-ulam because of the sweet and savory barbecue sauce. Pinaka nagustuhan ko naman itong roast beef na in fair, pang restaurant level yung quality na